Hello everyone, in our last video we had discussed up to question number 6. Now in this video we will start from question number 7, and question number 7 is a milkman sold 2 of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each. On one he made a gain of 5% and on the other a loss of 10%. Find his overall gain or loss percent. So first we will note down all the information that is given in the question. So first we write here SP of first buffalo and it is 20,000 rupees. Then we note down profit percent. On selling first buffalo it is 5%. Now we all know that SP is equal to 1 plus profit percent divided by 100 multiplied by CP. After that we put all the values from the questions and we have SP 20,000 rupees. We have profit percent 5% and we have to calculate CP. So first we are going to take LCM of 100. LCM of 101 it is 100. So we have 20,000 is equal to 105 divided by 100 multiplied by CP. From here we transfer 100 and 105 from the right side to the left side and we have CP is equal to 20,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 105. After calculating this quantity we have rupees 19,047 rupees and 62 paisa. It is the CP of first buffalo. Similarly, we can find out the CP of second buffalo. For this, first we write SP of the second buffalo, and in this case we have to we have loss of 10%. So we write formula of SP when loss percent is given. So formula is SP is equal to 1 minus loss percent divided by 100 multiplied by CP. Now we have 20,000. It is the SP of the second buffalo. Then we take LCM of 101. It is 100 minus loss percent. It is given in the question that loss percent is 10% divided by 100 multiplied by CP. Then we transfer all the values from the right side to the left side. So we have 20,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 90. And from here we can easily calculate value of CP of the second buffalo. And its value is 22,222 rupees 22 paisa. For find out the overall gain or loss percent, first we have to calculate total SP and total CP. So total SP is SP of first buffalo plus SP of second buffalo. So it is 40,000 rupees. In the same way, we can calculate total CP of the second buffalo, and it is 41,269 rupees 84 paisa. As we all know, then CP is greater than SP. In this case we have to calculate loss, and loss is rupees 41,269 rupees 84 paisa minus 40,000 rupees. So loss in overall transaction is rupees 1,269 rupees 84 paisa. Now move to our next question. Our next question is question number 8. Question number 8 is the price of TV is rupees 13,000 and sales tax charged on it at the rate of 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. First we note down all the information that is given in the question. So price of TV is rupees 13,000. Sales tax on it is 12%. So 12% of rupees 13,000 is 1,560. We can easily calculate this by taking 12% of 13,000 rupees. Then what amount that Vinod pay for the TV. For find out this, we have to add this sales tax on the price of TV. So we have 14,560 rupees that we know have to pay for TV. Now move to next question. Our next question is, Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays rupees 1,600, find the marked price. For solving this question, first we write here that SP of pair of skate is rupees 1,600 and discount on it is 20%. Let we assume that the marked price of the skate is rupees X. Now we know that discount is equal to marked price minus selling price, and we already assumed that the marked price be X, so discount is X minus 1,600. Now we know that discount percent is equal to discount upon marked price multiplied by 100. Then we are going to put all the values from the question to this formula, and we have discount percent 20, we have discount, it is X minus 1,600, and we have to divide this by marked price and it is X, and then we multiply this whole quantity by 100. So after solving this portion, we easily calculate that value of X is rupees 2,000. So it is the marked price of the skates. Now move to our next question. Our next question is, I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5,400 including 8% VAT. Find the price before VAT was added. So first we write here SP of hair dryer and it is 5,400. VAT is 8% and price of hair dryer before VAT. For this we apply formula VAT is equal to price of hair dryer before VAT is equal to SP multiplied by 100 divided by 100 plus VAT percent. Then we place all the value from the question, and after calculating this we have rupees 5,000 and it is the price of the hair dryer before adding VAT. In this way you can solve 11th question of this exercise. Thank you.